The LOSSIGY 48V Lithium Golf Cart Battery is absolutely worth buying if you want a serious upgrade in power and reliability. If you are curious about the latest price of this battery, you can check it out from the description below. This model stands out right away because it uses auto-grade lithium cells, which means the performance is much more stable than standard golf cart batteries. You notice that extra punch the moment you accelerate. It's smooth, consistent, and doesn't bog down on inclines. With over 4,000 life cycles, it's built for long-term use, which makes it a solid investment for golf carts, RV setups, or even solar systems. Plus, the installation is surprisingly simple because the battery is self-contained, lighter, and doesn't require the messy wiring of multiple lead-acid units. One of the biggest highlights is the 200A Smart BMS with an unbelievable 1008 peak current for short bursts. Most golf carts need high peak output to handle heavy acceleration or steep terrain, and this battery easily meets that demand. The built-in protection system also works quietly in the background, guarding your setup from overheating, short circuits, and overloads, which gives you extra peace of mind. The Bluetooth monitoring feature is another major convenience. You can check real-time stats like voltage, health, and temperature directly from your phone. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Lithium batteries come with a higher initial cost compared to lead-acid options, and some carts may require minor adjustments to secure the battery properly. But the longer lifespan, lighter weight, and maintenance-free design usually make up for that difference over time. If you want a battery that delivers power, longevity, and smart control in one package, this is a strong choice. Make sure to check the link in the description below for the latest deals and full details.